In this question, you have to identify the factor that does not affect the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Now, the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium actually describes a theoretical population where allele frequencies remain constant across generations, assuming no evolutionary forces act on the population. So, gene migration, that is option A, involves the movement of alleles into and out of the population. So, this certainly changes the allele frequencies and disrupts the equilibrium. Hence, it is incorrect. Option B, constant gene pool. Now, it means allele frequencies remain stable. Now, this is actually the assumption of the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Thus, it does not affect the equilibrium and it ensures that it is maintained across generations. So, this is the correct option. Option C, genetic recombination. Now, genetic recombination shuffles alleles during meiosis, leading to genetic variation. So, it does not directly alter frequencies in a population and it has a very little impact on the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. So, it is also incorrect. Option D, genetic drift. Now, it refers to random changes in allele frequencies, especially in small populations. So, it certainly affects Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Hence, it is incorrect.